The true meaning of wealth is that no matter how the economy gets tough, no matter if there's still pain or still face or still laugh, your wealth keeps rising. No matter if there is COVID or any shutdown, any lockdown, you keep getting money and getting paid and keep making money. So I'll be listing out five investments you can start in 2025 that you can stay afloat no matter what the economy speaks, no matter how the economy is bad, you keep making money from this investment. So let's get into the video. If you're new on my channel, on this channel, I speak and talk about, educate people about finance, self-development, branding, entrepreneurship, and so on. So if you want to learn things about this thing, click on the like button, subscribe so that you get notification when I drop my videos. So let's get into the video and learn what we have to learn today. Hey my guys, today we're going to be talking about investment you can start as low as 100,000 naira in Nigeria in 2025. Start 2025 as an investor. Stop saving those money in your accounts. Banks are just using the money to do business. Instead, the money you're saving in your account, invest it in something. You can invest in stock markets, invest in crypto, invest in commodity, FG, bond, and so on. So I'll be listing the kind of investment you can do in 2025 that can make your money grow before the end of 2025. You can start this investment for as low as 5,000 naira. Number one on my list is FG savings bond. FG savings bond is like you borrowing money to the federal government to to carry out some projects, whatever they want to use money for. It's like you borrowing money to the federal government, whether they like it or not. Tinubu, Buhari, or any ex-president cannot steal your money. They will have to pay your money back, and these savings bonds comes in different way. So in FG saving bonds, you can get your interest quarterly. Let's say you invest 500,000 naira. Your interest, for instance, let's say it's 100,000, 90,000 naira. They can divide it into four places. We have 12 months, right? In a year, you can divide it into four places. January, February, March. At the end of March, you get the first quarter of it. March, April, May, June. At the end of June, you get the second quarter of it. You get what I'm saying? So your interest can be divided into three spaces and you get your money back every 3 months. Or you give them the money and collect your interest and let them use the money for what they want to use for. So every saving bonds, it's a kind of investment which you can do and it's safe, 100% safe. There is no way you're losing your money in every saving bond. There are many advantages of investing in federal government savings bond. Number one is it has low risk. Federal government are going to pay your money back whether they like it or not. Number two, it serves as collateral. Number three, you get your money quarterly. You get your money back like it serves as source of income. So the money is safe. And interest rate is as high as 17 to 18% sometimes. And this FG savings bond is open every month. It opens at the first day of work of every month, and then when you buy into this FG savings bonds, there are some that goes for 2 years, some goes for 3 years. So it depends on which one you want to buy into. Just find a stockbroker for you to invest in. You can check on AfriInvest to get this. Optimus by AfriInvest is an app you can download on your iOS or an Android mobile phone. Registration is very easy and you can fund it and invest into this every savings bond. The number two on my list is treasury bills. This is a very nice one. The risk level is quite high, but it has higher interest rates as high as 20%. You can do it whichever way you want to do it. You can lend the money out, give the money to the person, the people you want to give it to. It's sometimes it's bank, so give it to them. You can collect your interest. Let's say you want to invest 500,000 and the interest on it is 1 million. That's too much. The interest on it is like maybe 200,000, 100,000. You can collect the 100,000 or 20,000 and give them, let them go and use it for what they want it for. So this treasury bills is a very good uh, investment which you can start in 2025, and the interest rate is massive, 20% interest rate. You can never get anything like that in any bank in Nigeria. So try this treasury bills. I'll be listing to you where you could get treasury bills investment, where you can apply for this investment opportunity. That's one number two on the list. Treasury bills are short instruments issued by Central Bank of Nigeria for the federal government of Nigeria. So it is backed, fully backed by federal government. So the short investments which can be done for a month, 3 months, 6 months to a year maximum, depending on when you want to do it. And the interest rate is as low as 4% and as can go as high as 20%. And you can use different brokers if you want to use it. If you want to invest in these treasury bills, you can use Invest app on your phone to invest, and you can also use Tabitha IBTC. They have many brokers. You can do your findings on how to invest on treasury bills. But it's easy for people who just have a layman knowledge of treasury bills. You can actually use Afro Invest. It's what I use for myself. Start using treasury bill to invest in your future in 2025. Let's go to my number three. Enough of giving excuses. In 2025, you can start investment as low as 100,000 naira. No need for you to have a million naira. You don't have to have 500,000, 400,000 for you to start investing. When I say ETF, what do I mean by ETF? ETF is an exchange traded fund. This is a form of ETF where they invest your money into different companies like Amazon, Apple, Meta, which is Facebook, is an exchange traded form. And different types of ETFs. They can invest in bonds. We have bond ETFs, we have commodity ETFs, and we have a currency ETF. Let me explain and break it down for you to understand. What we mean by bond ETFs? The bond ETFs are the one I described, where you can invest uh, your money in maybe Amazon bond, Meta bond, and Apple bond, stuff like that. Companies like that, big companies like that. That's using your money to buy bonds from these companies and then making it an investment for you. The second type of ETF is commodity ETFs. You can use your money to buy commodities, physical commodities like agricultural product. Let's say, for instance, you use your money to buy cocoa, maize, cassava in large quantity. For instance, some companies buy product like palm oil, keep it for a while when it is cheap in the market, and sell it off when it's expensive. So these are commodity ETFs. The third type of ETFs which people still use is currency ETFs, like buying dollar, buying euro, buying uh, currencies that of high value in the world. So these are currency ETFs. So these are types of ETF which your money can be invested in. And then very important, I need to say this for everyone who's going to be investing in 2025. Make sure you check out the authenticity of the company you want to invest in. We have a board that regulates investment companies in Nigeria. The name of the board is SEC, 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 SEC. Make sure you check the website of this company for you to before you can uh, invest in the company. Number four, you can do money market mutual funds. The money market mutual funds is also a very good investment way where you can invest. You can give your money to financial coaches who help you to invest this money. They invest this money in stock, treasury bills, and so on. They invest in different places in different kind of investments. So your money is quite safe too. You can invest in money market mutual fund. The reason why it is called mutual fund because people from people from different places bring the money to invest in a mutual uh, fund, in a mutual thing. So they have mutual benefits. That is one of the reasons why this investment is very good. But have at the back of your mind that whatever you're investing is in, if they are losing, you're losing too. You're going to be sharing the risk and also the gains of the business. So this is a mutual funds where you can invest your money and get it back. The Everything about the business is mutual, whether the risk they are losing or gaining is a mutual fund investment, but it's a very good investment because these people invest in different things. They invest in stock market, in treasury bills, in crypto, whatever they invest in. Just make sure you have a good stockbroker, a good financial coach who is going to help you in this investment. I need to say this: if you are investing in anything, make sure you check it out. Check the authenticity before you invest in it. We have a regulatory board that regulates every investment company in Nigeria. The name of the regulatory board is called SEC, which is SEC. X as an X of sex, E entertainment, E of entertainment, and C of commission. So the full meaning of the company is Security Exchange Commission, because these bonds, you buy cryptocurrency, buy stock, all of them, ETFs, they call security. So it's called Security Exchange Commission. Make sure you check the website. If you don't see the name of the company you want to invest in on the website, that means they are not licensed in Nigeria. They are not licensed to operate. Don't go and use your money to do MMA. Don't go and invest your money in Ponzi scheme. Bring three people. That is not an investment. If I will ask you to invest, I'm asking you to invest in companies that are real, things that are real. When they say investment, it's things that invest in the nice future we gain from, not investment that makes your money go. So invest in good thing. Remember, you can start investment as low as 100,000 naira. If you want to invest and you don't have money, you're a salary and you work 9 to 5, and you're saying I don't have money to invest, there's a way you can do it. When I started my investment, what I did was that I had an account, no access to it. If I have to withdraw money from it, I have to go to bank. So that makes it difficult to withdraw money from it. So what I do is every month I put some amount of money there, even though it's 10,000, 20,000, I put there. You can discipline yourself. For instance, if you are earning 150,000, you can save as much as 40,000 every month. Discipline yourself. If you are able to save at least 100k, don't use it to buy clothes. Don't use it to buy things. Phones. That's not an investment. Make sure you use that 100k to invest. Let's start investing in our future. Investment goes a long way. Start investing today. 2025 is going to be a great year for all of us. Make sure you subscribe, like. The last one on the list, which is common in Nigeria, which many people do, is investing in fintech apps. There are many fintech apps. They're one of the investments many Nigerians who don't know much about investment do. You can invest in Piggyvest, CarryWise. This investment, you can lock your money in it for some time, let's say a period of maybe 6 months, a year, and they have percentage of interest they give you instead of you putting your money inside the bank. It's very good opportunity for you to invest in these apps. These fintech apps use your money to trade in different business. They used to your money to invest in different kind of business, and your money is safe because they've been doing this for years. For instance, PFS has been around for years, Carwise has been around for years. So you can also use this opportunity to invest in these fintech apps. It's a very good one for you instead of putting money in bank. The highest the bank can give is 2% or 3% thereabouts, which I'm not even sure it's up to that. That I could remember there was a time I had over a million naira in my account. What I receive every month is 8,000 or about 9,000 thereabouts, which is a very low. I think I have the knowledge of these investment platforms, then I could have invested my money and I would be getting a good sum of money at the end of every month or quarterly, whatever kind of investment you do. So try as much as possible to do investment in 2025, because you don't have to have a millionaire before you start investment. That was what most of us thought when we started the journey as a young graduate. At the way we started investing, then maybe we would have been able to gain more wealth for ourselves by now. But it's not too late. It's never too late to start investing. 2025 is another year around the corner. It's just a few days to this time. Make sure you start investing. If you have any question, any comments, you can post comments and I'll be answering you, giving answers to the questions, to answer your questions and everything you need to know more about this platform. But one thing I know for sure is putting your money in the bank is not the best thing for you. Invest the money. Invest your money. And these five investments I've spoken about on in this video are very good one, which means you won't be able to lose your money. You won't lose your money, but you will definitely risk your money and then share risk of the investment. That's just the thing about this, but it's a very good one for you. Like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more about investment, finances, entrepreneurship, and self-development and branding. My name is Flourish Fulu. See you in my next video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, like, and also comment. See you in 2025. See you in my next video where we'll be talking about money. Bye bye.